Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the online sport program Army Public School and College Fort Road. I hope you all are doing well. I am Rabia here to discuss the second week assessment of the physics about scientific notation. First of all, I would like to share the objective. Students, you will be able to express the ordinary numbers in scientific notations or standard form at the end of the lecture. Now we will discuss what the scientific notation is. When a number is expressed in powers of 10 or in the form of a into 10 raised to power n. Now the question arises what the a is called and what is n. Basically, scientific notation based on three terms: coefficient, base and integers. I recap. Basically, scientific notations based on three terms: number 1 coefficient, number 2 base and number 3 integers. In this formula, a into 10 raised to power n, a is called the coefficient and lies between numbers 1 and 10. 10 is called the base and n is an integer. Now the question arises in our mind that why we need to use the scientific notation or how it is helpful for us in daily life. The answer is scientific notation is developed in order to easily represent the numbers that are either very large or very small. So there are two conditions in which we can face the measurements this method, which is very helpful for us. Now come to the rules that how we can convert an ordinary numbers into a scientific notations or standard form. The rule number 1, whenever you will move the decimal point, it should be placed after the first non-zero digit on the left side. Rule number 2 and rule number 3 are based on the positive and the negative exponents. Rule number 2, a positive exponent move the decimal point to the right. Rule number 3, a negative exponent move the decimal point to the left. Now come to the examples. How wide is our universe? In ordinary form, there are 21 with 22 zeros miles in an ordinary numbers, which is very difficult to write and count. As this number is very large, so it is easier to write it in scientific notation. So what will you do? You will revise the rules, move the decimal after the first non-zero digits. So decimal have to cross the 22 zeros and the 1 digit. So 21 with 22 zeros, the distance of our universe in scientific form will become 2.1 into 10 raised to power 23 miles. Express the 0.00000000902 in scientific notations. So there are total 7 zeros before 9 in scientific notations. Convert this number in scientific notation. First of all, you have to move this decimal point after the first non-zero digit. The first non-zero digit is the 9. So it will becomes 9.02 and the exponent power of the 10 becomes 9.02 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Minus 8 shows because the decimal is moving towards the right. Whenever the decimal moves towards the right, it comes with the negative sign. Now revise the concept of the scientific notation with some MCQs based slides. The first slide is 28750.9. Write it the best options. There are 4 options given to you. The third option is right. Okay, you will move the decimal point after the first non-zero digit, that is the 2, and the decimal is moving to the left, so the exponent power will be positive. I revise, whenever the decimal point move towards the left, always it comes with the positive power, and whenever the decimal point to the right, it comes with the negative power. Next, multiplications example is given. There are 2 points given of multiplications. Calculations, after calculations, there are third and fourth options are given. First option 14, so decimal is not given after the first non-zero digits, so this option is not right. Third option is not right, and fourth option is not right, so second option is right. Do this multiplications by calculator. In next slide, the same is 53.53. These all options are incorrect, so 5.36 option is the right option. Now come to the exercise questions. Quick quiz at page number 7 is given related to the scientific notation. Question number 2, that is about the sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Write this as the first part is an ordinary whole number and in other part is B in scientific notation. 150 you will write it as, and millions kilometer, due to the millions 150 you have to put the 60 with it. Kilometers you will write it km. Okay, and ordinary whole numbers you will write 150, millions you have to put the 6 zeros, and kilometers you represent the kilometer as km. You will get the answer in ordinary whole numbers. Next part of this question is in scientific notation. So an ordinary whole numbers, the decimal point will enter from the right side. It cross the how many digits? There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros are there, and the 8 digit is the 5. So after the first non-zero digit is the 1, you have to put it 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8 kilometer. So the sun distance is has been converted into the scientific notation, and you have also been written in the whole ordinary whole number. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Write the number given below in scientific notations. Quick quiz question number 3. 3 with the 9 zeros and unit meter per second is given to you. 3 into 10 raised to power 9 meter per second is okay, and 3.0 into 10 raised to power 9 meter per second is okay. Okay, now next 64 with 5 zeros are given to you. 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter will be right answer. After that 1.6, there are 8 zeros are given, and the first non-zero digit is the 1. Decimal is moving towards the right side, so you have to put the negative with it. 8 zeros cross and the 1, so total 9 digits is crossing over there. So 1.6 into 10 raised to power 9 minus 9 aega. Next is 4 zeros and the first non-zero digit is the 5, so 5.48 into 10 raised to power minus 5 second. Come to the problems that are given on the page number 26. Question number 1.4. Rewrite the following in standard form. There are 1 2 3 4 parts over there. 1168 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram will be given over there. 1.16 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Decimal you have to enter from the right side. 8 6 and 1, 3 digits is crossing over there, so 10 raised to power 3 have been there, and 10 raised to power minus 27 minus 24 over there. 24 32, next B part, 32 into 10 raised to power 5, 1 digit is crossing, just 2. 3.2 into 10 raised to power 1, and 10 raised to power minus 10 raised to power plus 5 is already there, so 10 raised to power 5 and 10 raised to power 1 exponent will be added over there. It will become 10 raised to power 6. 725 into 10 raised to power minus 5 kilogram. 7.25, 2 digits are crossing, so it will become with the power of plus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2, it will become 3 gram. Next D part is 0.02 into 10 raised to power minus 8 is equal to, now the decimal have to move towards the right, so the power of the 10 will be minus 2 and the two digits are crossing over there. So 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 8, minus 2 and minus 8 exponent will become added and negative signs put over there. So 1.4 has been solved. Come to the question number 1.5. Write the following quantities in the standard form. Standard form or the scientific notations are of the same term. 6400 kilometers. First of all, here the kilo prefixes which you have been studied in the previous lectures. Kilo, you have to remove prefixes with the power of 10 raised to power 3, and kilo and decimal will be entered, and keep 10 raised to power 3 and 10 raised to power 3, it will become the 10 raised to power 6. Next question, 1 2 3 4 5 decimal have to cross the 5 digits and 10 raised to power 5 kilometers as it is. You can write, if you want to remove the kilo over there or want to put the 10 raised to power 3 over there, it will be okay. Next, there are 8 zeros. 3.0 into 10 raised to power 8 will be the right answer, or simply you can write 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, it will be right. Next, the D part, second in a day. First you have to count or calculate the second in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. First you have to calculate, convert it into minutes. 24 into 60, it will convert into minutes, and another one more 60s, it will convert into seconds. So one day have 86400 seconds in one day. Now decimal will enter from the right side, 1 2 3 4, it will cross the 4 digits, and 8.64 into 10 raised to power 4 seconds. Okay, so this has been solved. At the end, success criteria remembers students ways to convert an ordinary numbers into the scientific notations. And good luck. Thank you so much.